And before anything else, gusto ko lang pong sabihin na hindi madali para sa akin na mag-share, pero naniniwala ako na kung may gagamitin si Lord na kwento, kahit gaano pa ito kasimple o magulo noon, it's for His glory. So this is not a story about me, it's a story about what God can do in someone like me. So today, allow me po to share how God changed my life and how He used youth drivers to guide me closer to Him. Amen. If you met me a few years ago, siguro po you wouldn't believe na I'd be here today speaking about God. I once was lost and far from Him, but His grace found me and that changed everything. So, ayun po talagang, ngayon pa lang, blessed na po ako dahil sinagot ng Lord ang gabi-gabi ko pong pinanalangin sa Kanya. Na, simula nung unang araw na na-bring up ni Ate Precious itong Youth Drivers Anniversary. Ayun na, makasama ko sa araw na to ang isa sa kaibigan ko